Hi, welcome to Pitaya Science. Today we're looking at 2023 prelim paper from this school, RGPS. We're looking at the MCQ and open-ended questions. And hopefully for this paper, you guys have done the questions already. I'll be explaining, starting with the MCQ here first, the answers and some steps in getting the questions correct. So for this paper, the questions for MCQ, it is not particularly difficult compared to other schools or other years. It is pretty fair, and it is a section A that you're able to score full marks. There's not much of a trick question, and I would say that it has a fair share of questions that you commonly see that test on all these topics, the common type of questions that you see in P6. So let's start with the first one. Hopefully for this MCQ, you've done the questions already. So this is like a class that you can use to mark your answers and go through the mistakes. So make sure that you do try the questions first. You have read through all the options and attempted them. So let's start with question 1. In this question, it asks about this topic on diversity of animals, living things. In this case, animals. These are all the characteristics. A says that it has wings. B has 6 legs, 3 body parts, and reproduce by laying eggs. So we need to choose the characteristics that shows that this organism X is an insect. So any question for diversity of animals where you have to identify an unknown animal to be a specific animal group, must remember and revise that different animal groups have different unique characteristics that is only found in their animal group. So for example, insects, right? The unique characteristics that define that help us to classify this as being in the group of insects will be having 3 body parts and 6 legs. And we have the 2 characteristics over here, which is B, having 6 legs and 3 body parts. Wings is not really unique to insects because birds can have wings as well. So we cannot choose A. And then for D, reproducing by laying eggs is also a characteristic that birds would have too. So D, not to be chosen. So the answer for this, easy to answer, just B and C.